In this video, you're going to learn how to run Facebook ads with HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry, Knoll, and in this particular video, I'm going to answer that question by answering the following three questions. Question number one, how to integrate your Facebook account inside of your HighLevel. Number two, how to add the Facebook lead forms and connect those and map the fields. And number three, how to do Facebook ads using a third-party service called UpHex. So I'm going to hop out of here and into my demo account. And what you'll do is you'll end up going into settings, and then you'll come into integrations, and you'll click on connect your location's Facebook account. You'll click this blue button. It'll prompt you to connect to your Facebook account. So if I click on this, it should open up another window, and it says lead connectors requesting access. And then if you're logged into the appropriate account, you'll click continue. If you're not, you'll click cancel. If you want, you can edit access. If I click on this edit access, you can show me all the pages that it's going to allow me to have access to. I can deselect all and just select the ones I want, etc. And this is also for Instagram too. I'm not going to connect this particular account, so I'm going to head on over to my other agency account here. And you can see here inside of my agency account that I'm connected to my Vegas Tech Group ad account. And the page that's selected is Vegas Technology Group LLC. And now if I want to, I can change the page. If I want to choose a different page, I can also select a different ad account if I want to. And then the other thing you want to do is you want to go to Facebook form fields mapping if you've created any Facebook forms for lead generation. And then you want to map them. So if you wanted to map, let's say, edit this one here, this one's already mapped, right? These first two are mapped. That's why the status is active mapping. These two are not. That's why it says map fields. So if I want to edit this first one, I can change the mapping of the form fields to match appropriately, right? So I have them lined up for phone number with phone, full name with full name, email with email. If I want to map like this birthday celebration one, I would click on it, map fields, and then it would automatically default this information, right? Email to email, full name to full name, phone to phone. If I wanted to map it to something else, I can select something else to map it to. Once I'm happy with it being mapped correctly, I just click update and it changes it to blue status just like the other two. All right, so that's how you can quickly and easily integrate your Facebook and lead forms to start using ads and do things within workflows within your Facebook. Within your HighLevel account. The other option is to use a third-party service called UpHex. So if you wanted to do that, you could click on, in my setup, I have a link, custom link set up for Facebook ads with UpHex. If I click on that, it's going to bring me over here to basically UpHex's page where I can learn all about what UpHex is and how to implement it and get started with it. And so they offer a 14-day free trial. And simplifies campaign management with UpHex's innovative suite. Imagine, write, create, launch, and manage ads at scale. Generate leads with AI-powered precision. Effortlessly launch flawless campaigns. It says optimize performance at scale. Tap into proven campaigns, and that's really where the power of UpHex comes in, is because what they've done is they've kind of crowdsourced all of the different ad campaigns that anyone's ever used inside of their services, and essentially they then can recommend, depending on which type of ad you need to run or want to run, or whichever niche or industry you might be in, it will provide you with the best performing ads that you can just kind of copy and paste and duplicate for yourself or for your clients. And so this is what UpHex is. And then of course UpHex is a third-party service, so you do have to pay extra for it. The pricing is right here. If I click on that, it should show us what the pricing is. So the starter is $97 a month, up to 3 ad accounts, Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, ad library, template builder, AI, client management, 3-click campaign launch, gohighlevel plugin, future updates. Then they have the growth plan, which is up to 10 ad accounts, access everything in starter, ad spend rebilling option, which you can pass on to your customers and clients, which is very cool, future updates. And then the unlimited is everything gross plus unlimited ad accounts and future updates. So, if you want to try it out, you got a 14-day trial offer to play around with it and see how it works. I highly recommend it, especially if you're not well versed in Facebook ads and you need some guidance and assistance and you don't want to hire anyone else to help you with this, then UpHex is the way to go. All right, let me know if you have any questions about any of this. If you do, leave me a comment below this video. I'll do my best to answer for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the high-level bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my high-level bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my high-level insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes high-level masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about high-level. You will also receive a high-level agency masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving Marketing Engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link, or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.